Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a travel agency website very easily with mightysites.com. It's going to be very quick and very easy, so let's get started. First things first, you want to go to app.mightysites.com/travel agency/sign up. And then you're going to be able to see a page that looks like this, and all you have to do is enter your name as well as your email. So I'm going to add my travel agency name, so let's say it's going to be Sweet Travel, and then I'm going to go ahead and add the email, then go ahead and click on continue. So I use my company name as my main name, just because I don't really have any reason for that. I just want to do it, and now I'm going to re-enter the name. So it's going to be Sweet Travel, and then we're going to choose the type of business. It's going to be service, because it's going to be a travel agency, so it's going to be service for now. And then I'm going to add my city, state, region, and then my country. All right, and then we can go ahead and click on continue. And just like that, we got our website built. So this is how the website will look like at the first time. They're going to give us a template that looks like this. And if you don't really like how it looks like for now, don't worry, because we can always change everything in it. Now, just for an information, all of the pictures that are here are copyright free, and you can use this for your website if you want. But if you already have pictures that you want to use as your base picture or as your website picture, you can always upload it. So we're going to start by updating our section. And in order to edit the sections, all you have to do is click this update sections right here. And you can update the text detail, and then you can also add social links if you want, and you can also update the design. So I'm going to go ahead and click update designs right here, and I'm going to play around with the color options because I don't really like how it looks like. And you can see that they have a bunch of selection that you can choose. There is 64 pages that you can scroll around to, and then they have 768 results that you can choose. So you can use whatever color combinations that you want. Let's say that I want it to be black and white, so I think this one looks good. Then don't forget to click Save Designs Changes before you go back. And now that I changed this one, I'm going to update the sections right here. So you can go ahead and click on Update Sections, and then I'm going to update the design so that it's going to be the same color with the header or the first sections that I just changed, which is this one's right here. And then you can also change the layout. They have several options for the layout. I think I'm good with the first one, so I don't think I'm going to change it. I do want to update my logo. So if you also already have your own logo, you can always go ahead and upload it through here. And if you don't have a logo yet, you can always start designing it on Canva and then upload it to here. So I'm just going to go ahead and upload my logo real quick. Alright, so I got my logo uploaded, and then once you upload it, you can even customize it to make it bigger or make it smaller. And I'm going to see how it looks like. So it's a little bit too small for now. I think I'm going to make it bigger. Alright, that looks pretty nice. And then let's see if I can... Okay, so I think I actually like it more if the logo is in the middle. And then I'm going to change so it looks some things like that. Alright, now that I got it uploaded, I can also update the menu if I want to. So currently I have the About, Services, as well as Contact menu. And then if you would like to add some more, you can always add some menu item tags and then add the links to your menu. I think I'm good with what I have for now, so I'm going to continue and update the next section. So you can see which sections you are updating by seeing this arrow right here. You can see that it has some up arrow, so it means that if I click on update sections for this one, these sections are going to be the one updated, and if I click this one, this section is going to be the one updated. So we're going to continue and update the sections, and we got some sort of banner over here. If you'd like, you can always design your own banner on Canva or any other designing apps that you like. And then you can upload your pictures through here. You can also update the content. So let's say I just want to say here, welcome to Sweet Travel. And then you can add some subtitles or some text below it. I'm not going to change much. I'm just going to show you how it works. And then it also have a button for a consultation. And then you can always choose where that buttons could lead to. Let's say maybe you want it to lead to a catalog instead of a booking page. You can do that by changing the locations here. So this is currently all of the locations that we have. Or if you would like to move it to another website, you can just paste the website URL here. You can even choose an action for that buttons. Maybe you wanted to give a direction to your office, or you wanted to call, or you want that button to direct your customers to call your customer service. You can even do that. Or maybe you want to upload some digital brochure and then you want people to download it after they click on that button. You can also upload a PDF file here so that your customer can get that once they click on the button. And let's say that I want this one to go to the About section. So I'm going to click on Confirm. And then for this one, I'm going to say Get to Know Us. And as you can see, the button's text automatically changes. And just like before, you can upload your own pictures through here. Then you can also update the design. Maybe you want to change the layout like so. So they have a selections of layout that you can use, or some things like this. So I prefer the image to be on the left side. So I think I'm going to use this one. All right. And then again, I'm going to choose the color so that it's going to be the same color with the first one. That looks nice. Then I'm going to go ahead and click Save Design Changes. And after that, you can continue and edit all of the sections according to how you like it. If you don't want to go to the hassles of changing the color palettes every single time, you can also click on these buttons right here, and it's going to help you to put on the theme color all together. So instead of having to change the sections color one by one, you can just click on this color combinations, and it's going to change the color of all of your website. And that's basically it. That is how you can build a travel agency website very easily with mightysites.com. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.